Welcome to Steel Commander, the trustworthy steel building company for all your fortified structure solutions. When you need the most exceptional steel building for commercial or home use, Steel Commander is the superior choice. We'll help you from beginning to end with the design and delivery of your steel building kits. Steel Commander will create a detailed engineering plan that is custom to your property while adhering to your state's specifications. Our industry-leading 40-year rust-through perforation warranty and 60-year structural warranty is by far the best in the steel building industry. Purchasing a steel building is an investment that'll last a lifetime. Popular uses for our steel building kits include agricultural, commercial, garage, industrial, recreational, residential home, self-storage, workshop, livestock, horse barn, sports, and farm buildings. Every steel building kit we deliver is pre-engineered according to your property's demands. Pre-welded, pre-drilled, pre-cut, and prefabricated to ensure better safety and a longer-lasting steel building. There is not a faster way to get a structure fully operational than with a steel building kit. Time from delivery to assembly and completed construction can be in as little as 2 to 3 weeks. All of Steel Commander's steel buildings have registered engineering in all 50 states and are made in the USA. We also offer financing and have a convenient 3D designer so you can design your own steel building. Call us today and speak to a steel building expert and see how we can help. Build it once, keep it for a lifetime with a Steel Commander steel building.